Treated at Boston Medical Center and is expected to survive. Another officer was also involved but was not hurt. We've learned both are new and have only been on the police force for 1 or 2 years. You can see in the video from the scene what appears to be the suspect's blue vehicle riddled with bullet holes. Police have not yet identified the suspect.
We located the suspect inside of the motor vehicle. He's a male in his mid to late 30s. And unfortunately, he was pronounced deceased on scene. The officers located him in that motor vehicle, and subsequently he was pronounced there. There wasn't a second exchange of gunfire at the second location.
And again, we had some mic trouble there, but Boston police have not identified either of the officers involved in this shooting, and they are asking for the public's help. If any witnesses saw anything or if anyone has any information, they're asked to call Boston police. Reporting live in the Breaking News Center, I'm Julianne Lima, Eyewitness News.
On the news now, former Rhode Island congressional candidate scheduled to be arraigned today on federal fraud.